Today I will be singing a birthday song, but it is in Tagalog. So, our Filipino friends will understand. And you will understand, right? But this is birthday song for my son. Hello? Jared? You come please.
Jared!
Please welcome the birthday on stage with a round of applause with his mom. And this is the dedication that she's going to do for herself. Lights.
Nagkakalak kaming lahat sa araw na ito, pagkat ngayon ay araw ng pagsilang mo. Wala kaming maihandog kundi isang awit, isang dasal sa buhay mo, sana'y sumalangin. Kaya kami natutuwa at tigim ng sigla, pagkat ngayon ay araw ng pagsilang mo. Jared, dinggin ninyo pati mga ibong kumakanta, maligayang bati sa iyo, Jared. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jared. Thank you. Actually, this song, I heard this song, my father taught us this song. So, whenever I'm singing this song, I'm feeling so emotional. Thank you so much. Now we have to cut the cake. Just sing.
Again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jared. Woo! Here?
representing Brown Mother and the son who's here on stage. How many of you are ready to taste this yummy cake here? Everyone, finally, the wait is over. Please wait. We will be getting the cake to your table. Don't present. Please wait. Everybody, please put your hands together up. Please stay and hands up. Let the class be going on, people. Don't throw your hands, but let's go here. Please, back up.
Just a country, not